Let me tell you about this product that I created. It's called Original Touchscreen Temporary Repair Glue, and it's available on Amazon.com for $9.99, and that includes Prime shipping. A little while ago, I was walking down the street with my phone, and I happened to drop it on the sidewalk, shattering the screen. Here are two of the exact same phones, one with a completely shattered screen and one with a completely normal screen. When I dropped my phone, I shattered the screen, and I was not able to touch the screen without risking possibly cutting myself. So what I did was I discovered that this glue that I had been working with would create a new layer of glass over top of my screen. Now the thing is, everyone's searching for a way to replace to make the shattered glass, the broken glass, go away. But I'm sad to tell you that there's nothing that's going to make that shattered glass go away. The best thing that we can do is we can try to fix it with either using an adhesive like this material, or by putting a tempered piece of glass over top of it. And the only problem with that is, if you have something that requires you to pinch and move or slide like Google Maps, with a tempered screen, sometimes you're not able to use two fingers on it. With this product, the temporary touchscreen glass repair, you can have complete control over your phone using the double clicks and everything, and I feel absolutely confident. See, I just slid to bring that in. Okay, I feel absolutely confident using my screen, even though there's chunks of glass missing here where I could easily slice my finger if I were to run it over there. So I developed this product with two types of people in mind. Number one, if you are the kind of person who is having an emergency where, let's say, you're traveling or you're out in business and you have shattered your screen, but you still need to use your device because you're waiting until you get home or back to your home base to get this fixed. And so for the duration of while you're traveling or off on business or doing something, you can use your phone even though it might not look like very pleasant. And the other people who can use this are people like me. Let's say that you were to shatter your device and you want to replace it, you want to fix the glass, but financially you are unable. Maybe you have to decide whether or not to repair or replace your phone versus buying your kids school shoes. So essentially for $4.99 plus shipping, you can buy a bottle of my glue and you can repair. With this one bottle, I can fix at least 10 phones just like this. And so what I say is, buy one bottle, and I'm sorry to say that your phone was shattered, but buy one bottle, use it, and then stick it in a drawer, and oh, I hope that you don't break your phone, but if somebody else breaks their phone, you can offer them a bit of your bottle of glue. The trick with this stuff is you want to put a nice thin coating on it. Another reason why a bottle lasts for a long time. You put a very thin coating of this material on here, and it can last for a very long time. In fact, this one right here has been fixed for over 6 months. But if you want to get the coating off of that, it's very easy too. You simply remove the battery from the phone and you put it in a shallow pan of water, and the glue will actually dissolve in water. If you put it on too thick, it'll flake off, which is great because you just flake it off and then you can put a nice thin coating like the instructions say. It comes with complete instructions on how to put it on your phone on the back, and I say just follow them and you will be able to use your phone again without the fear of slicing up your fingers. And basically that's what it is. There is no such thing that will take and make these cracks disappear. Your screen will never return to a normal screen. You'll have to replace the glass or the phone. Please don't bother with magic windshield repair kits that they sell for automotive glass. It's not the same kind of glass. It's not going to make these cracks disappear. My product is not going to make your cracks disappear. But for any touchscreen device, if you want to be able to use your device without fear, and that's tablets, phones, any phone that's not hydrophobic, which is a few of them that are out on the market that are new, but all around, this will work on just about every single kind of phone and tablet that exists out there. And it's just a easy way of extending the life of your device if you were to shatter your screen.